In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount code on Acuity, a tool that can greatly benefit your business by offering promotions or discounts to your clients, making your services more appealing. This process is simple and straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. First, let's start by navigating to the Acuity scheduling website. This is your gateway to creating and managing your appointment schedules, and where we'll begin our journey towards creating a discount code. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to access your account. To do this, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. After clicking on the login button, the website will prompt you to enter your email address. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your Acuity account accurately to avoid any login issues. Following that, you'll press Next to proceed to the next step of the login process. Many of us use various services online, and keeping track of passwords can be a hassle. Acuity understands this, which is why they offer an option to continue with your Google account. If your Acuity account is linked to a Google account, simply click on Continue with Google. This eliminates the need to remember another password and streamlines the login process. Once you've clicked on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the Google account you've linked with your Acuity account. This action grants Acuity permission to use your Google account for login purposes, making future logins faster and more secure. Now, logged into your Acuity account, it's time to focus on creating your discount code. Look for the appointment types section on your dashboard. This is where you manage the different services you offer. To navigate there quickly, use the direct link if available, or simply look for the appointment types tab within the Acuity interface. Within the appointment types section, you'll find the Coupons tab. Click on this tab to start creating your discount codes. The Coupons section is specifically designed to manage promotions, making it a crucial step in offering discounts to your clients. Once you're in the Coupons section, you'll see an option to create a new coupon for appointments. Click on this to begin crafting your unique discount offer. This opens a new page or window where you'll input the details of your discount code. With the coupon creation page open, it's time to define your discount. Start by typing in your desired coupon code in the provided field. This code is what your clients will use at checkout to apply the discount, so make it memorable and relevant to the promotion. Following the creation of your coupon code, you'll specify the discount percentage. This is the heart of your coupon, the actual discount your clients will receive. Input the percentage value that makes sense for your promotion, keeping in mind your business goals and the attractiveness of the offer to your clients. Next, you need to decide where the code applies. This setting allows you to specify which services or appointment types the discount can be applied to. It's a way to target your promotions, ensuring they align with your business strategies and client needs. Finally, after you've configured your coupon code, discount percentage and applicability, click on Save Coupon. This action solidifies your discount code, making it active and ready for use by your clients. It's a moment of completion, but also the beginning of a new promotional campaign for your business. Creating a discount code in Acuity is a simple yet powerful way to engage with your clients, offering them value while also promoting your services. As you've seen, the process involves a few straightforward steps: logging into your account, navigating to the coupon section, crafting your coupon, and saving it for use. Remember, the effectiveness of your promotions depends not just on the discount itself, but also on how well it's communicated to your clients. Make sure to share your new discount codes via email, social media, or any other marketing channels you use. Engage with your clients, offer them value, and watch as your business grows thanks to well-crafted promotions on Acuity. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you successfully create your discount codes on Acuity, driving more bookings and satisfaction to your clients. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides like this.